save your time and never miss an important event? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Google Apps Script to create automatically Google Calendar events based on your Google Sheets data. Imagine you have a spreadsheet full of events details and want to sync them automatically with your Google Calendar. Google Apps Script will help you here. Let's see. First, let's create a structured Google Sheet that will store our event details. Open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Name the sheet Events. Then add these headers in row 1. A1 Event Name. B1 Start Date and Time. C1 End Date and Time. The next one Description, Location, and Event ID. Column B and C must be formatted as date, time. Go to Format, Number, Date, Time. Use a format like this. Now fill in some sample event data. This will help us to test the script later. So I add some events. Next, let's write a script that will take this data and create events in Google Calendar. In Google Sheets, go to Extensions tab, App Script. Delete any existing code and type the following script. So here's how our script works. This Google App Script acts like a bridge between your Google Sheet and your Google Calendar. It watches your sheet and keeps your calendar in sync with it automatically. Here's how. The first step is create new events automatically. Whenever you add a new row in your Google Sheet with event details like title, date, time, or location, the script reads that information, creates a new event in your Google Calendar, and then it writes the event ID back in your sheet. So the script knows this event already exists next time. So you don't have to go to Google Calendar to create it manually. The script does it for you. The next step is updating existing events if you edit the sheet. If you change the title, date, time, description, or location of an event in the sheet, the script checks the event ID saved in the sheet. It finds a matching event in Google Calendar. Then it updates that event with your new details instantly. This is great for making quick changes without opening your calendar. Now that our script is ready, we need to automate it so that it runs whenever new event details are added to the sheet. So in the App Script, click Triggers, clock icon, and add new trigger. Select Function, Create Calendar Events. Choose Event Source from Spreadsheet. Select Unedit as the event type and click Save. Now whenever you add a new event to the sheet, it will automatically sync with Google Calendar. To test if everything is working properly, add new rows to the Google Sheet with event details. The script should automatically create an event in Google Calendar. Now update events, then check the calendar. And that's it. You've just automated Google Calendar event creation using Google App Script. No more manual entering event details, everything sync in real time and perfect for managing appointments, business meetings, and team schedules. Okay, you learned how to create Google Calendar's events based on your Google Sheets using Google App Script with no manual entry. For the next, I suggest you to watch this tutorial that will improve your skills in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I will answer all of them. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.